Alright. Or are you cutting that way?
I cut some pieces off.
This one looks like a coffin.
That's upsetting. Not what we were going for.
You guys going for the surfboard design?
That's the base. We're going to flip it and then we're going to put layers on top and then the box.
It is, but it's like not.
So in the water takes more time to get through all the...
Theoretically.
Duct tape thing. Yes. Oh, it's rising up a lot. We'll keep it down after I cut this off. Grab that rock to it.
So does anybody know?
Get on there to like fan it out, right? Have some support on the sides.
wings and
It'll be more, yeah, exactly. More surface area, not just localized.
Are you guys on break here?
They're copying us because they're like so jealous of what our mom.
Floating Titanic. They missed a word.
Bubbles, you want to film it?
One person from each team needs to go get a paddle and a life jacket. Go.
A life jacket. I kind of want to.
Hardwood boat designs and come up with blueprints for like your buttons this year.
Next year, that's my plan. I said
To like smuggle it up, and then they'll pretend to be building it. Meanwhile, they'll have a deck under their cabin already, and then they'll switch it.
Sister Bayu and I said that as leaders, we should build a boat, like at night after the girls go to sleep, come out and start building our boat, and then hide it somewhere. And so when we do this, we pull it out, and so somebody then goes.
Okay, but I'm like little 98-pound girl.
It's gonna be awesome. I'd totally do it.
Like, will our